What is going on, my faithful Let's Stack Metals community members? Today we have an unboxing. It's been a while since we've done an unboxing, and I said, screw it, we got a package in, let's do it. Now, if you haven't already and you do like this type of content, hit subscribe, smack that notification button so that you always are in on the newest and latest drops. And yeah, definitely leave a comment, because if you were the first commenter on the video, you're shouted out in the next video. And I don't think we've had a first commenter on any of the other videos yet, so we might not have one at the beginning of this.
And I was wrong. Abram Taylor PW9GS with Love Goldbacks on the Fractional Gold video will take the first comment shout out. Hey, thanks for showing your support and thanks for leaving some algorithm food. Back to the video.
Now, oh, this has my address, so let's push this out real quick. We'll pull this slip over there. All right. Now, you guys ready to see what's in this unboxing? I don't usually buy these, and I actually bought this only to do a video. So there's actually going to be another video on this itself, and it is a slab. And this one is an American Eagle slab. These are the first strike slabs by PCGS. NGC also makes the same ones. A little bit different case. I think the NGC cases are a little bit nicer. And we're actually giving away a graded NGC coin. And it is right here. We do giveaways at 500 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, 2,500 subscribers, and so on. So when we hit the 500 mark, we'll have a subscriber giveaway. This one I picked out personally for whenever we hit the 5,000 subscriber mark. And as we start hitting new marks, I'll probably add something in with this. So you'll probably get two when we hit 5,000. This is, though, a 1955 graded Washington proof quarter, and it is graded a 68 by NGC. I love their holders. I just think their holders are very nice. That's a beautiful coin and a beautiful holder. Now, back to the video at hand. The unboxing. This does not come in any packaging because I bought it on an app actually called Whatnot. And I do not think, if you are first getting into buying silver and bullion, you need to go to a dealer. Absolutely go to a dealer. Do not go on any apps like eBay or Whatnot or anything like that. I'm not saying they're bad to buy stuff. I'm not saying you can't find good deals. And the only reason I did buy this is because I found a good deal on it. But I would not say go there if you're a first time buyer just getting into stacking precious metals, because you will not always get a good deal. Kind of like how I paid $80 on a spin of the wheel when I was trying to win some pretty big prizes, and I ended up winning 500 grams of copper. And I'm not saying this is a bad buy, but if you go and you look up the price on something like this, it's only sitting around, I want to say, $60. This, on the other hand, I got this for around, I think it was like 40 some dollars. And they're usually sold around anywhere from $50 to $60 and sometimes more depending on where you get them. Now, I actually have a whole tube of 24Ws, and I could have sent one in, got it graded, and had it come back and probably spent a little more around the same price as I did just to get this one right here. Now, it's a beautiful coin, and it's beautiful in this case. And the reason people tell you to get to get slabs is because over time, they say that these will hold more value because it's graded at a 70, even if it does tone. Well, honestly, if you look back at, I think it's the 1996s, and those are key date coins. A key date coin out of a slab like that is still selling for $80 to $100. So, I mean, really, you don't need something in a slab. You need to find key date coins. And if you can find something like, say, 2026 has an extremely low mintage compared to the 2025 and 2024 and the 20, because we're getting a silver deficit a bigger silver deficit every single year. So eventually we're going to start cutting back on how many coins we make. And that's where we're going to start seeing more key dates. And if you can grab key dates like that and stack them and hold on to them, you're going to gain almost the same amount that you will with a non-key date slab. Then I'm not saying that slab maybe might not boom in the future, because crazy things do happen within the silver and gold and precious metals realm. I mean, we've seen a lot of crazy things happen. I mean, just think back in the 70s, you had gold sitting around what silver's sitting at right now in the beginning of the 70s. Back at 70 to 71, gold was sitting around $29 to $35 an ounce. And then whenever it started getting into the mid 70s, it struck up to $75. And then whenever you hit the 80s, that's when you started seeing your 200, 300. And then it just went up and up and up. And now we're sitting at what I want to say at the time of recording, it's sitting at 30,341.77 and $32.70 for silver. And that's from JM Bullion. That's who I watch. I don't sponsor JM Bullion. I don't sponsor Atman. I don't sponsor anybody, because I want this to be an open video. I want to be able to go down in the comment section, give you my opinion. I don't want to be a sponsorship show where I'm selling for them. I want to only tell you my personal opinion at all times. So we're building a community here that is all about your own personal opinion 24/7. If you like that idea and you still haven't, hit that subscribe, hit that notification, and leave a like. That's pretty much all I got for you today. Today was just the unboxing of this. And I'm going to, after I get off here, record a video on if you should or should not stack slabs. And if you do stack slabs, what you should look for. So if you're interested in that, keep your eyes peeled. Definitely subscribe. Go down to that comment section. Let me know what you would like to see, because I do buy things just for viewers to learn about them. I do the research so you don't have to. That's all I got. Everybody stay stacking. This is me cutting out from Let's Stack Metals for the day. Peace.